Wait. I'm on TikTok live now. Today is Tuesday, so I want a bookshelf. I wanted to store my supplies and jewelry for my business. I want to make sure I have enough storage because right now I need more space. The space is not really that big, or whenever I move, I need a bigger space. I want this to be the right decision. If I get a shelf right here, I want it to look right. I don't think it's all over the place. Don't mind it. This is crazy. I just got an order. I'm gonna pack it actually. I'm gonna do a pack and order video. I still need to do some organizing, but it's okay. I'm not trying to rush. So yeah, she basically got one cherry 8-ball keychain like this. And then she got matching stitch knot bracelets, which are the ones over here. I am gonna get some more hooks. It's just like a whole little process. But yeah, I'm trying to get better at makeup. I got it from Marshall lip pencil. That's what's alright, bye. We did it. Got to the post op. It's so dark out here. So yeah, I took my nails off. I want to get them redone. But I did get my closet together in my room, so it does feel more organized. But yeah, today's October the 1st. I'm gonna start the live and we'll see what happens. It's 9:42. Ended the live. I got a few people, but nobody really stayed on. Okay, so I do go on Pinterest to get some inspo whenever I feel stuck. I might start drawing stuff out so then that way I can kind of get an idea. This one is like pink themed. It has some pearls in it. I like how there's charms on it. So for me, I'm gonna have charms, just kind of like so it can be more charms. I have like a mix of different things. It's my own style. I just get to count how much beads I added since I'm making a similar bracelet with different charms, and I'm gonna count the beads so I know how much I need, so that way I know the length. trying to make Zim because somebody on Instagram wanted me to make it, so hopefully it comes out right. This is what it's looking like. I hope I did a good job. Alright, finished the video. I'm actually really happy with what it came out to be. This one right here, I will be launching this one. I'm just gonna redo it though, but because I don't want the string to show, so I'm gonna redo it. Oh no, I shouldn't did that. Got some Snoopy charms. I'll be coming out with some new, but I can't wait to make some new things. And then these are the magnets. I'm glad I can. My package came. I had ordered these a while back from other small businesses. So I'm gonna wear them. It looks so weird. What? I got my pegboard from here, but I found what I was looking for. Alright, I'm back home. It's like 10 something. It's about to be 11. Back from the dollar store in Walmart. I got some crackers. Alright, so this is what I got. So I just got two just for now because I didn't want to spend too much on legs. I had to get me some mic and legs. I wanted to go live today, but it's like I felt so, like again, I felt overwhelmed again. So I just pray that I don't feel like that. It's like a lot going on right now because it's like I'm trying to get my setup together. I don't know. It's been a lot. So maybe I'm putting that on myself. It's just kind of like with all this organizing and then this video, I want to get it out in time. I really hope you guys like the vlog, but it's like I feel like I wasted my day. But this is what it's looking like, I guess, off of camera. Because it's 11. It's going to be Friday soon. This stuff I took out, it looks so crazy. I was going to take it out and then put it in here. I don't want to rush, but I just feel like the time went too quick and I don't got any of it, what I'm trying to do done. But I am glad I was able to organize this. And then about me, the one thing about me is like, it's kind of hard to stay focused. So it's like, I have to kind of like, but I like to chill too. Like, but it's like I have to put some discipline in there too, but that's hard. But I'm gonna open this with you guys right quick and then I'm gonna have to finish organizing because I don't want to put too much pressure on. Got some red bead, black bead, and then I just got basically hole puncher because I'm gonna use it for my packaging. I do have some other stuff coming in, so this is not all of it. So it's gonna make sense when you guys see what I do, but it's gonna be with my packaging. That's everything. Hope to see you guys later. The new launch will be dropping October the 3rd, so on Friday.